So here we have these two straws which can be stretched and bent anywhere, right? So these two straws we have to attach onto the OHP sheet, right? So that we will do using the double-sided tapes. So I'll take the double-sided tape and stick first onto the OHP sheet at the edges. So these double-sided tape are square in shape, but I think yours will be in round shape, so don't worry. But these are double-sided tapes. So now by peeling off the upper layer, I will stick the straw. Now while sticking the straw, be careful that this wrinkled part, that means the part from which the straw can bend, it should be little on the OHP sheet and also outside the OHP sheet. So we will stick it like this. So as you can see, approximately 1 to 1.5 centimeter I have kept on the OHP sheet, right? Similarly the other straw also you have to stick. Don't worry if you have stuck a little bit more or little bit less. Since the plastic straws are there, you can remove and stick them back. So you can tinker and you can find out whatever is the correct length for you, right? So now you have to bend this. So this is our stand for our illusion. So to create the ghost effect, I will be using this video which I found online on YouTube. There are many such videos, you can just find them. So here I have taken a video where there is a ghost floating on a black background, right? So this will be easier for us to project in our activity. You need not take this video, you can choose any other video. If you want to project any other picture or shape or anything, you can do that. So I am choosing this one. We will place the mobile here onto the straws like this. So now our setup is complete. Now for this to work, you have to take care that this OHP sheet is at an angle of 45 degrees to the mobile which you have kept. So since the straws are bendable, you can just adjust it. You can adjust the angle, right? So now let's switch off the lights here and see the ghost. So the ghosts which you just saw was visible when you look through the OHP sheet onto the background, right? So you can use a camera and you can capture the image or play a video, and you can create many more such illusions. Now this is not the only way the stand can be made, right? I have used these bendable straw to make it as such. So the only important thing here is that this OHP sheet should be at an angle of 45 degree to the phone. So this straws are only one way of doing it. So you can tinkle, you can explore, and you can create many more such stands.